Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Yes, we have a new setup. I have a new setup. Please pretend like there's nothing there. I have yet to clean my room. So today's look is actually my BoraHAY look. Yes, pwede natin gamitin ang ating imagination. Wala tayong beach, we cannot go to the beach. So yes, let's use our imagination. Let's just do our makeup, make ourselves feel better, and pretend we're on the beach. My hair's still wet, oh, di ba? Kunyari, nasa beach. Kunyari lang, nasa beach. But yes, this is my BoraHAY look. So if you want to know how I did this look, stick around. Alright, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. This time I used the Face Shop Style My Brow in the shade 01 Gray Brown. Next up, I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. So I'm just putting that all over my lids, and I'm going to use a brush to spread it everywhere. Alright, once that's done, I just use my Nichido Final Setting Powder to set the eyelids. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited to finally use this palette. So I'm going to use the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. Guys, I am a huge fan of Jeffree Star, and I'm so excited to use this palette. Oh my gosh, look at those colors. I just love them. They're so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to start by putting 1985 all over the eyelid. So I'm sort of using this as a base. Next up, I'll use the shade Channel, and I'll put that all over my crease. I'll use this as a transition shade. Once that's done, I'm going to use a metallic shade called Girl. It has like 3 R's. And I'm going to put that on the bottom part of my lid. I'm going to put a brighter shimmer. I'm going to use the shade Dog Mom, and I'm just going to put this towards the inner part of my eyelids. Okay, now that the eyes are done, I am going to prep the face. I am going to use the Max Factor Miracle Prep Primer. So I'm going to pump out around this much, and I'm going to spread it on the entire face. Alright, the face is primed. Next up, I'm going to use the Flormar BB Cream in the shade Light. So I'm going to put it at the back of my hand. Then I'm going to warm it up with my finger and spread it all over the face. Once it's spread out all over my face, I'm going to use my buffing brush to evenly spread it out some more. Now that we have that all over the face, I am now going to move on to concealer, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So instead of using my sponge, I'm going to use my brush to spread out the concealer. Now that we have our concealer on, I'm going to move on to contour. And this time, I'm going to use the Happy Skin Glisten Up Precision Contour Cheek Stick. I'm just going to put that on my face, on my forehead, on my nose, on my chin, and on my jawline. Then I'm going to use my brush and I'm going to spread that out. After blending out the contour, I'm going to add a little bit of my finishing powder. Just a little. I just want to set the entire face. Once that's done, I'm going to move on to my bronzer. So this time I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed Bronzer. Once we have the bronzer on the face, I'm going to finish the eyes. I'm going to go back to my palette, dip back into the shade 1985, and apply that on the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to dip back into the palette in the shade Channel, and I'm going to add that on the lower lash line. Next, we're going to go back to the shimmer shade Dog Mom, and we're just going to apply that in the inner part of the lower lash line. So now that we have our eyes, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. For mascara, I'm going to use the Essence You Better Work mascara. So now we are done with our eyes. We're going to move on to blush. This time I'm going to use the BLK Creamy All Over Paint in the shade Daffodil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to get a little bit on my finger. And I'm going to spread that on the tips of my fingers. And then apply it on my face. You want to be gentle with this one, guys, because you don't want rough lines on your face. Then I'm gonna add a little bit on the nose. And I'm going to add on the lips. So this will serve as my lipstick. So now that we are done with the lips, I'm just going to add a little bit of lip gloss. This was given to me by a friend. It's the Nice Lip Gloss Vanilla Bean Noel. Now that we have our lip gloss, I'm just going to put on a highlighter. This is from CoverGirl True Blend Minerals in the shade 430 Shimmering Sands. I'm also going to use this as my inner corner highlight. Lastly, I'm just going to get my powder brush and I'm going to use that highlighter and I'm just going to put it all over the face. So there we have it. This is the finished look. So this is my BoraHAY look. Who says we can't go to the beach? The president. But yes, so we are pretending to go to Boracay at home. That's why it's BoraHAY. So this is the BoraHAY look. This is my Sunkissed look requested by my friend Salve. So if you like it, please hit the thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. I post 2 times a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays, 10 a.m. Yes, I will post twice a week. I will post beauty-related things. So if you have other makeup challenges you want me to do, makeup tutorials you want me to do, please don't forget to comment down below. Also, if you have theater-related things you want me to talk about, like audition stuff, what else? Rehearsal processes, all that stuff, you can comment down below so I know what to talk about. Again, my name is Abby Sulit and I am a freelance theater actor. And the musical for the day is, if you can see that poster right there, I don't think you can. That is The Bridges of Madison County. I love this show so much, you guys. You have no idea. I love the music, JRB. Oh, so beautiful. If you watch the show or you know of the songs, please comment down below your favorite song from the show. My hair is still wet because I'm on the beach. As if I'm really not in the beach. But yes, it's actually about to rain. I'm actually shooting from my window. I usually shoot from over there. I have a mirror there. But I decided to shoot from the window because of natural lighting and all that, and because my theme is, yes, sun-kissed. But there's no more sun. It's about to rain. Oh my gosh, guys, it's about to rain. But yay, thank you for rain because we need water. Anyway, so yes, this is my BoraHAY look. If you have your own BoraHAY look, please comment below. Tag me, I want to see. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Again, I would love for you to be part of the family. So make sure to subscribe. Again, I will post twice a week. So I will see you on my next video. Mahal ko kayo. Bye!